Then A and B are two numbers, and then I insert H in between. So A, H, B are in HP. Then H is called the harmonic mean of AB. So as they are in HP, I can say that 1 by A, comma 1 by H, comma 1 by B are in AB. If they are in AB, then I can say that 1 by H minus 1 by A would be equal to 1 by B minus 1 by H. Or I can say this 2 by H is actually equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. Or I can say this is actually equal to A plus B. A plus B upon AB. Or I can say that H is actually equal to 2AB upon A plus B. So this is what is called the first harmonic mean, H equals to. So side by side, we should again look at some more results there. But that's what right now it is. Now they're talking about n-Harmonic mean. A, H1, H2, Hn, P are in HP. Then you can say that 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by Hn, 1 by B are in AP. Then you will assume that let T be the common difference of the AP. Using this, you can say that 1 by B, I'm saying AN plus 2 actually. I can say that AN plus 2 is actually equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. What is my AN plus 2? AN plus 2 is 1 by B minus 1 by A. I'm just doing this n minus 1 into D. So what is gonna be my D? D is gonna be A minus B upon AB into 1 by n minus 1. Now I've got that, then I can say that what is my 1 by H1? My 1 by H1 is gonna be 1 by A plus A plus D, right? So A minus B upon AB into n minus 1. So this is my H1 by H1. So I should get H1, right? So from here you have to get H1, which will be okay. I think I need to do some more work here. Let's do this. Then this would be equal to, I think go to this should be H1 should be equal to 1 upon 1 by A plus A minus B upon AB into n minus 1. 1 by H2 will be equal to 1 by A plus 2 times A minus B upon AB into n minus 1. And this will imply H2 would be actually equal to 1 upon 1 by A plus 2 into A minus B into AB upon n minus 1. In the same manner, if I keep going, I can say my 1 by H1, 1 by Hn is going to be equal to 1 by A plus n times A minus B upon AB into n minus 1, or Hn could be 1 upon 1 by A plus n into A minus B upon AB into n minus 1, which is something which you cannot